This is the KARCHER NT652 Eco 110 volt vacuum cleaner, designed for easy pickup of wet or dry dirt. This simple machine has a large 65 litre capacity, twin vacuum motors for exceptionally high performance, and a built-in filter clean system. The 652 is very easy to operate and transport, thanks to its large on-off switch, carry handle on the top, tubular steel frame, swivelling casters at the front, and large wheels and push handle at the back. Access to the filter is very simple and can be done without opening the dirt container. The filter is very compact and positioned right at the top, and therefore gives greater dirt collection capacity. Cleaning the filter not only maintains high suction performance, but it also prolongs the life of the filter itself. The system can be turned on or off and is activated by this trigger on the suction pipe. When you press the trigger, a blast of air unblocks the filter to maintain high suction performance. There's convenient storage for tools and suction tubes on the back of the machine, as well as a drain hose for easy emptying without the need to tip the machine up. The machine's floor tool comes with brushes for dry use and squeegees for wet pickups. The machine is equally at home picking up dry or wet dirt, spillages and flood water, and makes a great machine for valeting or for any environment where dust needs to be collected. The NT652 Eco 110 volt vacuum from KARCHER, an indispensable piece of kit for your business.